Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to put a task into your Oudie. So we have our Oudie here on the main map screen in CU Mobile, and we have our task to put in. Today's task is Lasham start north, Chilbolton, Hungerford, Lasham finish north. So to start putting the task in, we go to menu and select task. Now we've got a task in there already, so the first thing we need to do is clear that task, and to do that we go to tools and press clear task. It says are you sure, and we say yes, and to start putting a new one in we press insert. So our first point is Lasham start north, and to cycle through all the Lashams we press this button until we get to Lasham start north, and then we press OK. We'll come onto observation zones afterwards, so we press OK again, and then we put our next turn point in. So the first turn point is Chilbolton. Press OK and OK again. The second turn point is Hungerford. OK and OK again. And then our finish is Lasham finish north. OK and OK. And once we've put our final turn point in, we press OK for the third time, and now we have our task. The next thing we need to do is make sure that all the observation zones are correct. So if we start with the start point, we press edit, and what we want is a 5 kilometer radius line, which is this line here, 90-degree sector, and that is our start line. To go on to the first turn point, we press this button, and we can then check that the first turn point is a 20 kilometer sector, 45 degrees, and it's also got a second observation zone, which is the half K radius barrel, which is quite difficult to see, but it's up there. We want auto next selected, which means that when we fly in anywhere into this observation zone, it will automatically go on to the next turn point. And to check Hungerford, Hungerford should be the same, 20k 45 degrees, half k 180 degrees, auto next. And lastly, our finish line is a half kilometer radius line, which means it's a 1 kilometer diameter, and then we press OK. Now we want to name the task so that we can save it, so we go into tools, options, bring up the keyboard, and we're going to call this one a Lasham 100k. We press OK, OK again, and then we need to save the task. So to do that we go to tools, save task, press OK, and there we have it. We have our task. I'll just zoom in a bit and you can see it all looks quite sensible. And then the last thing we must always do whenever we put a new task in is save settings. So to do that we go into menu, next page, save settings, check that everything that can be ticked is ticked, and we press yes. And that's it, and now we're ready to go flying. Thank you for watching. Check out our Oudie products at navboys.com. The link is in the description below. Post in the comments any other video tutorials you'd like to see.